There's different ways to go about investing your spare income. Once you've saved up 100 or 1,000 or $10,000 in the real world, you can begin investing. Welcome, Jake's Wealth. Watch my other videos. The way to go about things is to make an initial investment and say, I'm going to risk $1,000. Then how do you do that? How do you define position? Well, you find something that's trading for, let's say, $30, and you set your maximum stop loss of $1,000, maybe at $20. Now, for every cent it moves, whether it goes up and you're long or you're short and it goes down, you're going to be making dollars. The position size might be incredibly large compared to your stop, as in if your maximum stop is 1,000, you might have a position size of $10,000, which equates to $2.50 for every penny that price moves up or moves down. Afterwards, you're going to move your stop up when you're in the profit. Say you have a profit of $7.50. Now you can guarantee $2.50 of profit, worst case scenario, by moving your $1,000 risk stop loss up to $30.01. Of course, you want to be in the direction of the trend. So if it's going down, you're going to short, so you make money when the price falls down. And the opposite scenario, when you're long, you make money when the price goes up. And now it's at $30.10, or if you're long, let's just say for this scenario that you're long, so you make money when the price goes up. $30.10. So right there, that's 10 cents. You're already in the profit by $25. You probably want to guarantee 50% of that at that point. So move your stop from $30.01 to, which is pretty much the break-even line. In your mind, you want to know whether you're long or short, that you want to guarantee to break even, worst case scenario. Afterwards, everything else is a reward. So you want to give yourself enough room as well. Say you're watching the 1 minute chart. You don't want to put your stop 2 cents away or 3 cents away. You want to get experience, and don't risk $1,000 if you don't have experience. Risk $100. The process is the same as if you were risking $10,000 or $100,000. This process applies across the board, whether the market is moving up or down. Now, you can guarantee let's say you're going to move up to $5 with $2.05, $30.05, because the price has moved up to $30.10. So let's move the stop up to $30.05. So 5 times 250, you're guaranteed $25 profit. Whether that's moving up or down, always trade in the direction of the trend and seek out the support and resistance levels. Support and resistance is, simply put, it's easy to look at the graph and tell because it's trading sideways. That's where the orders are put in. If it's above, you're going to hit resistance as the price moves up above. If it's going below and there's a lot of orders trading sideways, you're going to hit the support. Price is generally going to bounce when it hits the resistance up, or bounce in the opposite direction when it hits the support below. Whether you're trading long or short, keep that in mind. So now you got a guaranteed profit of $25. It bounces back from $30.10 to $30.05, $2.50 a cent. As we defined in the initial market order, market buy with a $1,000 stop, that's no longer in play because your stop has been moved from the initial 1,000 that you were risking. Let's say the worst case scenario, everything goes against you. Generally, you're going to want to cut that position if it's above $150 to $250 loss, instead of the multiple $25, $50, $75 profits that you'll make. 99% of the time, you're going to have the opportunity, if you follow the rules, look at support and resistance and trade with the trend, whether that's up or down. 99% of the time, you're going to make money. And then that 1% of the time, when you see a $150 or $250 or $300 loss, take the loss. Don't let it hit the $1,000 maximum risk. That's just there as a safety net. Generally speaking, this works best when you follow the 4-hour, and then you look at the 4-hour chart, then you look at the 30-minute chart, and then you trade on the 1-minute chart or the 3-minute chart. But I have experience, so I just trade the 1-minute chart. That's what you want to build up to. Initially, when you start, it's not going to make much sense. You're going to look at the price, and it's going to bounce and bounce and bounce, and you're going to get stopped out for little profits and little profits. But eventually, maybe after 15 tries, it's going to take off, and you're going to be in the right direction, whether that's going up or going down. That's how it's done. That's what you're here for. Be sure to keep a disciplined mind. You have to calm your mind and stay neutral. Keep that as an afterthought. Stay neutral. Don't bring emotions into this, because that's where you give back instead of take and give to others. Jake's Wealth. Watch my other videos. Thank you.